I've just been driving through the quaint little villages of Nidderdale in North Yorkshire, and what a beautiful little place it is. I thought Postman Pat was going to come over the hill, and somewhere Ted Glenn's fixing things. So you join me today on today's adventure in Pateley Bridge. Come with me, because you're going to love this place as much as I do. It's only early in the morning, so there's not that many people around. But I bet when it gets busy in the summer months, and even the local kids, they'll fill this place. What a great little park. We've even got a bowling green here. And look at this, a proper bandstand, and it echoes as well. I'm going to have to stop falling in love with places like this, because the amount of time I spend on Rightmove looking at houses that I can't afford to buy, it's depressing. I guess it shouldn't do, but sometimes when you see a war memorial that's so well looked after like that, that's when it makes you really think about the sacrifice that these men gave. Who knows what the world would have looked like if they didn't make that sacrifice, the ultimate sacrifice. Nothing says the Yorkshire Dales better than a humpback bridge, does it? So this is just walking into town from the car park. You can tell what a cute little place this is already, can't you? Now somewhere up this street, I'm told, is the oldest sweet shop in England, I think. That looks like my kind of pub. Sadly, it's 9:45. It's my little obsession with flowers again. Love this time of year. 1661. What the hell? It's older than my wife. 1852, look. Just after 10 to 7. Herbal dispensary, look. It's a cannabis farm in Bradford. I love that sign. I'm really sorry about this. I have no idea what happened with the microphone, but it probably serves me right for buying something that was the cheapest I could find on Amazon. But what I was trying to say here was that this video would be far too short if I didn't go somewhere else. So I've chosen to go somewhere called Coldstones Cut. Let's have a look. What makes them think I've got the energy to do that? So once you get up here and you get your breath back, the view is absolutely spectacular. But what you don't expect to see is a huge, and I mean huge, working quarry. It's like the Grand Canyon. Well, it's not. It's never ending. When you make it up to the top of here, this is absolutely incredible. You could see for miles, and absolutely miles. Uninterrupted, beautiful Yorkshire countryside. You can't say better than that. And there's also one of these little displays, look. It's a full 360-degree display. New York City. Nearly, well, 5,000 kilometres that way. And then 35 kilometres in that direction is Thirsk. And you probably can't make it out, but you can see the White Horse. I'm going to make my way back down now. I don't fancy being up here at night. Welcome to beautiful Grassington. Now sadly I'm old enough to remember the original one from probably the late 80s, early 90s. But if you've been watching All Creatures Great and Small, you'll probably recognise this place, because this is where it's been filmed. Just look at that, picture perfect. Look at this, it's full of all these little nooks and crannies. Not so sure what that is. Here I am again looking at a graveyard. I don't know what it is. So Dr. Bill, the man in charge of the sanatorium, back in the day where people that just needed some help were just locked up. Sad really, but again, part of our history, isn't it? I love these little streets. I always like to think about what it was like, I don't know, 150, 200 years ago. Cheers. So as you can probably tell, this is the Black Horse, well worth a visit. I've been having a look at the menu, it's really good. Cocktails, 2 for 18 quid, not bad. So that sign about national savings, it's just triggered a memory, a childhood memory. It must be, well, I'm 42 now. It must be over 30 years old, this memory. 35 years old maybe. I remember putting little stickers into a book, little green shield stickers, and I don't know what they were for. But if you can remember, just pop a comment below, because I really want to know what it was. You know? I don't know. So that's it from our little trip to Grassington. Lovely little place. One tip though, don't stroke chuffers. You'll be there like I was for about 20 minutes trying to get him off me. Lovely cat. So that's it from Nidderdale, from Pateley Bridge and the Coldstones Cut. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.